set. Alright, I'm just staying right here. Let me, alright, I'm gonna get a feel for the power lines. The cars are coming. Very nice. Ooh, there's a couple power lines. So there's this house with the driveway that splits into the Y. I say like start like right over there. So that's where I'm kind of losing reception. Yeah. Yeah, like come down that road and I'll be down there. You'll see. Like I'll tell you. I'll just tell you when. See right there, that driveway to the left, that's kind of where I was. Yeah, right there, right there. If you want to turn around right here, because I'm losing reception. All right, perfect. I'm following you right now. I'm just getting a feel for it. Ooh, it's choppy.
Telemetry lost.
Yep, that's perfect.
Telemetry recovered.
I gotcha. You're good. That was fucking flawless, bro. Yeah, that was pretty nasty. Oh, yeah. You want to do it again? Alright, I'm on you. I'm going to follow you this whole time. Boy. See if I can scoop under. See kind of where you're going. Oh shit! I don't know if I hit that power line, but we're good. All right,
telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Ah, fuck! That was fast. Yeah, let's do one more. That shit's fun as hell, bro. Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. This battery's almost dead, but fuck it, damn, that motherfucker's fast as shit, bro. I barely can keep up with that shit. I just changed these motors out, not gonna lie. These are fucking, ooh, almost lost connection. Oh, no.
Lost.
Oh, bro, I dropped connection for like 2 seconds. I literally lost it, bro.
Telemetry recovered.
Yeah, where are you at? I don't even know if I figured that. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I was trying to follow you and I fucking lost connection. No, you're good. I'm gonna give it all I got. Yeah, go ahead. I'm on you. Hell yeah. That was sick. That was fucking sick, bro. Shit, we can. That shit was fucking epic, bro. Woo! Fuck. Alright, let me stop this recording. Damn, dude. I can't get over that shit. It was that last shot. Alright, I mean, honestly, I have one more battery if you wanted to go again,
telemetry
but
lost.